Can we have a big round of applause for our last band, David Has Truth. Please give it up, David Has Truth's band, the last band. Now, all of the bands that are playing here today are local, and we're super happy to have this band coming on now for us. This band is called Funky Nature. Please give it up, Funky Nature.
Thank you. But you know what, I've been wondering, where did all the bands go?
It seems like there's no space for originality anymore. It seems like we're the same old individual singers singing the same overproduced songs and boring us all. We want to know, where's the creativity gone?
We want to do something that you guys can dance to, be original, have a good time on this lovely Saturday. Let's go.
Everybody go, whoa. Everybody say yeah, yeah. Everybody give good vibes. Start together, not a vibes a bit. Everybody now play nice. Give me a moment. I tell you why I'm right to fall on the wrong side of history every time. It's not in my nature to lie. Well, hear me when I say to you, the truth has come to find. But what if this is fair? I'll be the stand to make it with a fist to shake and a voice to speak your mind. I find the words to say. Music is all we have, so I gladly jump and stomp my feet, keep screaming. Cruising on my skateboard, wondering what you hate for. You're so hateful, be grateful, I got my plate full. I'm saving you for last night, the 8 ball. I escaped the fate, y'all believe it's set in stone. I keep going the only way that I've ever known. Riding cold flows away from the prophecy. We can't be killed till you've forgotten me, honestly. I'm ingrained in your odyssey, possibly chained to your philosophy. Morally drained, not thinking properly. Sense of sovereignty, so sovereignly supposed to save their scared society. It's time we take back the mission statement. Take fight against the blatant vagrant who dances and dates with Satan. No understatement or exaggeration, yeah, we've been complacent. Everybody go, whoa. Everybody say yeah, yeah.
Say yeah.
Say what? Everybody give good vibes. Yeah, we're starting to get the vibes, right? Everybody now play nice. It's really disgraceful. They hung us out to dry for the one-man band. What? Back in 2009, a musical wasteland full of love. Souls who bang their drums for this sonic call to arms. Well, let's get it on. Come on, hey! I'll be the stand to make, fist to shake, voice to speak your mind. Find the words to say. Finally found them. Music is all we have, so I'm gladly jump and stomp my feet, keep screaming.
My hands hold the key that opens the hatch to majesty, transforming dreams from notions to actuality. Most of these rappers' fallacies will have you believe it's slow the impact of gravity. It's actually breeze, I've handled defeat. Time's wishing I just do numbers. Life's winters give my spine shivers in the June summers. The verse man for hire is back as my mind expands. I'm getting tired of rap, now that's cap. Just approach it differently now. Think of getting where I fit in pretty literally now. I figured it out. I'm just an eccentric, I'm done trying to blend it off, jumping on trends lest they're cotton. A check big enough to be blessed, don't be chucking my ethics, don't judge, I'm just covering expenses. I gave them wisdom, creating greats, I'm able to make them listen.
Raise your hands above. Put them up, put them up, put them up. Raise your hands above.
Get them up.
Raise your hands above. Put them up, put them up, put them up. Raise your hands above. Break it down. Get up, come on, get up, come on, get up. Get up, come on, get up, come on, get up. Get up, come on, get up, come on, get up. That's right. Get up, come on, get up, come on, get up. Get up, come on, get up, come on, get up. Get up, come on, get up, come on, get up. be the stand to make it with a fist to shake and a voice to speak your mind. I found the words to say. Music is all we have, so I got to jump and stamp my feet, keep screaming.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. How are we feeling today, say Margarets?
Oh yeah, good vibes.
It's lovely to see you all out here in the lovely weather today.
Look. Lovely day for some clouds rap with funky nature like cowpat. Hungry raid in that mousetrap. Danger about that. We haven't spoken in a while and I wonder if you ever think of us. You never hit me up, I was on tour but I'm back now. You know that if you check my Insta much, you probably do. I've been watching for you. How modern the two of us posturing through my technology proving our rocks to be true. I upload a lot that I want you to view, like shots with looking hot in a pool. Probably block if you wanted to swap over Crocs. I ain't rocking your opposite shoe. Hypocritical, I am a little difficult, but you've been pretty distant too. If only our issues are workable through, you've confirmed what I knew to be perfectly true. My biggest burden was you.
If only to try, if only I try to find another way through. If only to talk. What the hell does that ever do? Nothing to prove. Why? How and if or what? This time you might be wrong. Groovy, groovy, groovalicious, man, real ambitious, superstitious, catching fish and doing dishes for meals that were delicious. My own genie granting wishes, growing hidden figures, never finished winning, played assistant. Cause funky nature got all the wisdom, give it out so they take it with them. Knowledge wrapped in rhythm, never sleep on a beat. Gotta keep on my feet cause that's how we're living. Take what we're given from lungs to livers, snatch it up cause we're vicious. So crazy seems fictitious, that following our rhymes like religions. And with our meds but with no shamans, but we're preaching morning to evening. You can see me till we're leaving, I will give you something to believe in. Rare truths, shared a pair. If only to try, if only I try to find another way through. If only to talk. What the hell does that ever do? Nothing to prove. How and if or what? This time you might be wrong.
I ain't too much a blazer, but today I'm chilling with funky nature. Roll up a chunky paper. I'm living my life, it's spring in my step. No venom inside, I wish you the best. Keep negative vibes, zero but less. And pictures, I guess. Happiness seems to elude you and I hope you find it, cause trust me it's great. Done with the hate, nothing is fake as someone that claims to love you, but under the cover of suffering from pain they wonder your name in public for gain. If only we weren't both stuck in our ways, then something could change.
If only to try, I try to find another way through. If only to talk, if only. Well, what the hell does that ever do? Nothing to prove. Why? How and if or what? This time you might be wrong. Thanks so much, guys. What a lovely day it is.
Gonna slow things down a little bit now. This one's called Breaker.
These things they come and go, how they love to break us, make us break us. These things they come and go, how they love to break us, make us break us. Thinking of you and the things that you do, the good times found when the sun went down. Night spider found us again. Found us again, found us us again and again, found us again. 1, 2, 3, and these things they come and go, how they love to break us, make us break us. These things they come and go, how they love to break us, make us break us, make us break us. I had a dream about you last night, and you bled into this morning. Your face is on my eyelids as I lie there softly yawning and pausing, and then I'm crawling to the bathroom suddenly without you. The bright light from the ceiling burns away nostalgic feeling. All I needed was a warning, all I get is reminiscence, a reminder of the distance between us. Fantasy that being closer could redeem us. But I'm no genius, there's no treatise, and you know I'm not the keenest to share the features that hide beneath the chains of the Adidas. Perhaps it's weakness that stops me from addressing these visits I get from you. Like somehow if I was stronger then I'd know just what to do, but without a clue I escaped the memories of someone I once knew. Before the shit I put you through, and that was someone you turned to help you pursue what you wanted to do.
We could have lasted forever. If forever existed, you tore my heart into shreds when asking you whether we could restart things together. You called me selfish and twisted, didn't help me to think that you were correct when you said it. I wasn't treating you right, you knew I was with those women, I used to tell you I didn't. I just kept repeating the lie, being the reason you cried, keeps me from sleeping at night. Remember our second date, picnic in Whistler's Park? That dog bit into your scarf and ripped it in half. I thought you just giggled, fed it a biscuit, filled up your glass. We drifted apart, I'm second guessing the time that we spent. When I first told you I loved you, I never meant it. Thought I was pretending, in control of your mind. Now I'm lonely, I find that you've left this hole in my life.
Talk this way, we wasted our time here, it's clear that we're losing our fight. But the feeling for silence I see when I look in your eyes.
The love that we once knew, I left it slowly fade. Wake up.
If this song gets to you, then in my heart you'll stay.
Wake up. These things they come and go, how they love to break us, make us break us. Try it again. These things they come and go, how they love to break us, make us break us.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks guys for this.
This next one's called Mr. Rule. It's actually on our latest EP we released a couple of weeks ago, so you can find it on Spotify, Amazon Music and all those places, streaming platforms. Please follow us at funky.nature if you'd like to listen at home.
All on the poster over there.
A bit bigger than a poster.
He would gladly grip his tattered bit of happiness until the man announced he had to quit. And he actually did.
Hey there, Mr. Rule. What you gonna do? When it out of the darkness.
rule. I wish you well, like time will tell if your tunes sell or they repel like Annabelle and then just fell, belonging in a prison cell or somewhere deep in hell. We drop bombshells and we cast bad spells with words expelled like sperm cells. In the studio we dwell is probably why we smell, but we feel swell cause we got the personnel. First telephone to tell like Alexander Graham Bell. On my back I got the shell like Donatello Raphael. I'm not hiding, I'm no infidel. See me headline Citadel.
Out of the darkness,
Way out.
into the light of the Redeemer, telling us why we've come to fight for us. Yeah. Out of the darkness,
Way out.
into the light of the Redeemer, telling us why we've come too far.
Way too far.
We've come too far, far for us this time.
Beautiful, lovely. As you may or may not be aware, it's the Pride Parade in central London today. I'm wearing a Pride shirt that I got there about 2 years ago. And just while I'm up here, I'd like to take the opportunity to say we've come a long way, but there's still a long way to go. And we've got to share support for all of our free love, regardless of gender, space. Thank you. How wide do you open your mind? How far do you look back in time? How cross do you get when you crow in a chamber echoing tones?
If only JFK could jump out of his grave, tell me face to face, ours was to blame. I believe, ooh, everything I read, know how it ends. See the ridiculousness of the road. We all take with eyes closed, live in the zone where no one can hold you to account for why we all must be looking out for the truth.
If a tree falls but never makes a sound, did it ever truly hit the ground? If to believe, then you have to see. Then why do we live in conspiracy? Trust me, I'm in the Illuminati. The secret's like a party, all muddled and confused. You see them on the news, they're all completely true. There's a secret lizard government who rule. In these facts we revel, like the earth is flat, just at the spirit level. Look.
It's really conflicting me. See, I ain't some nut that believes in conspiracies, thinking the Queen is a lizard, she's evil, he's pizza with Hillary. But take a peek at the history. Tuskegee was recently gendered unspeakable evil when he was on BBC. I won't believe what they're feeding me. Each pack of lies is classified until there's no one to account alive. So just push it to the back of your mind, MK Ultra, I'm getting smashed tonight.
Know how it ends. See the ridiculousness of the road. zone where no one can hold you to account for what we all must be looking out for the truth. Yeah. Ooh, everything I read.
So completely true.
Yeah.
Leave it all.
Everything I read.
Thank you, big love.
Thank you.
We've got a couple more. Gonna get it a little bit more hyper for the build up the hype for the last two. So this one's called HK.
More of this, more dancing. You guys are amazing.
Yeah, well, these
Yeah, these
girls
guys
at the
at the
front have got
front,
a right
these are the
idea.
big
If you want to
stars.
come down and bust some moves, show us what you've got. Come down, have some fun. Why not?
I was only a child when I realised.
No, you won't. Say you do, but you don't. Care for where you are now. Well, I've no doubt something's wrong when you're found looking lost when your eyes point the way to go on the road. On the road to where? To recover. Everybody cry.
Everybody cry.
Everything's alright. Ain't okay. Ha. Anytime you're told,
Anytime you're told.
we will catch the car to recover.
I was only a child when I realised that music was all that I wanted to do. I would dream of to wake up, be famous and paid like I just hit the lottery too. I met Caves and he gave me the basics of what I should do when I got in the stew. I was staying up late every day working on every tune, no stopping for food.
In and out, up and down, overrun on the ground, moving to keep proving what you're doing. It works for you in your own way. It tells the tale until you cry. It points the way to go on the road. On the road to recover. Everybody cry.
Everybody cry.
Everything's alright. Ain't okay. Ha. Anytime you're told,
Anytime you're told.
we will catch the car to recover. I'm trying to recover from another price I've had to pay. I'm trying every day to better myself, better my health, aim to live in wealth. But there's only pennies on the shelf. One day it'll be racks, but I gotta face facts, I don't wanna wait yet. There's a lot I gotta get on this future. I'm set, typical daydream by my own private jet. Flying away to distant locations, visit all the nations, spontaneous vacations. A life without any goddamn complications, no frustrations, no restraints in time to feel fine, for the vine. On this road I gotta climb, I just wanna see what it's like to be sky high. What's the way to go? Think or no, you say that you're mine. On the road to recover. Everybody cry.
Everybody cry.
Everything's alright. Hey, okay. Anytime you're told,
Anytime you're told.
we will catch the car to recover.
shout out to Opal Class, and I can see a few diamonds here as well.
It's going to be our last song. Thank you so much for sticking with us today. We hope you're having a good time. Enjoy the rest of this Saturday, enjoy the food and the drink, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.
Hey, ho, there, go. Nowhere now today. Hey,
Everybody,
ho, words spoke. In time's kiss goodbye.
A beat to whip, a verse to spit, a track to mix. This is sick. Squeaking mouse up in the booth where he claimed all the things I wanna do is tame. Make it hard for you.
I'ma turn the tide.
To do what you do.
This is the time, this is my mind to scream. This is it, this is it. This is the place where we face the disgrace we'll go through. This is the road that we chose to only walk by. My silver spoon's intact to be alright, thanks. On the right side of the trip.
Hey,
Ho, there, go.
Nowhere now today.
when you're writing the lies that you're spreading.
Hey, ho, words spoke.
In time's kiss goodbye. A head to kick, a gun to hide, coke to shift, we'll freeze inside now. Hood kings can't sing, sounding like they are from South Central LA. Circa 91.
When did life become this serious?
When it spoke to us.
This is the time, this is my mind to scream. This is it, this is it. This is the place where we face the disgrace we'll go through. Alright. Yeah, this is the road that we chose to only walk by. My silver spoon's intact to be alright, thanks. On the right side of the
Depart from the truth when you rhyme on a record. Wear a mask in the booth like you're highly infectious. Why pretend like you're firing the weapons? You're inside of your bedroom when you're writing the lies that you're spreading.
It's not breaking my heart. It's not breaking my heart in two. This ain't no joke or a gimmick, don't make the mistake. We've studied the grace of lyricism that makes tracks invade with grace. Every stereo and headphone from London to LA. The production of albums, concept or not, you know that we got an opinion about what's hot and what's not. Thinking about the importance of chords and flow to truly blow. The combination of influence and inspiration, borrowing and imitation. Learn from the best, but make it your own. If it come from the heart, the streets of your home. So long as you know why you made it and who for. Put your mind and soul on the track. Can't ask for no more. No more.
Can't ask for no more. Can't ask for no more. But who am I to judge? Why the vilify an artist if they lie to us? It's only entertainment they've created, they provided just to spice things up. Imagination sacred when the life becomes serious. I'ma turn the tide. Life's a movie, most of you ain't even learned your lines. He ain't real just cause he ain't on the curb at night. If he was, you prefer it, right? That's backwards, cause the fact is that we're characters. We handle life with the accessories we stand behind. From hats and knives to fancy bike straps and knives. Hide from an actual fight. In my stanzas I'm magnified. I might lie like my cash provides.
Anything you want.
Let's go to Stansted and catch a flight.
Anywhere you like.
This is the time, this is my mind to scream. This is it, this is it. This is the place where we face the disgrace we'll go through. This is the road that we chose to only walk by. My silver spoon's intact to be alright, thanks. On the right side, thank you, of the tracks. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for having us. Thanks, Nick, for letting us play today.
Thank
Have
you,
a
Nick.
lovely day.
Thank you to sound engineers as well.
Big love for all of you
Rest of
guys
the
dancing at
weekend.
the front.
Thank you, guys.
Hopefully we'll be back next year.
Please give it up for Funky
Dedicated to
Nature.
every-
A big round of applause for Funky Nature.